Working with 3D rendering and dealing with KSL material library files, these contain reusable material definitions for KStudio rendering. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these KStudio material library files. Don't close the guide if the KSL file doesn't open right away. We have an unconventional, high success rate method designed for deep format errors. A user encounters a KSL file when working with the KStudio plugin for Autodesk 3ds Max. This file contains a library of pre-configured materials, textures, and rendering settings. The user's intent is to load this library to quickly apply complex realistic materials to their 3D models, saving significant setup time. The KSL format is a proprietary binary data container designed specifically for the KStudio plugin. It structures material definitions, texture map paths, and parameter settings in a way that can be rapidly loaded into the 3ds Max environment. This design prioritizes integration and performance within its host application. Your primary troubleshooting tool for KSL should be the specialized KStudio for 3ds Max by KStudio. Standard Windows programs often fail to correctly display all layers of the document. Windows provides only an incomplete snapshot, so full exploration must be done in a CAD environment. We need to identify a functional opener. Right-click the KSL file and choose Open With. Prioritize KStudio for 3ds Max if it shows up. If it is not there, choose any other application. The right one is out there. When your KSL file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. Due to the specificity of the KSL format, we can't skip verification. I need you to check off these crucial steps before we attempt the solution. First, loading in KStudio. Launch KStudio and use the Material Browser to import KSL library files through the Library menu. Select Load Library and browse to the KSL file. The materials become available in the Material Library panel, ready for application to scene objects through drag and drop or material assignment workflows in the 3D viewport. Next, sharing across projects. Place KSL library files in a shared network location accessible to all team members. Configure KStudio's library paths through preferences to include the shared location, enabling consistent material availability across projects and users. Centralized libraries simplify standards enforcement and material updates across the organization's rendering workflows. Finally, examining references. Open the KSL file in Notepad++ if it uses text format to inspect material definitions and texture references. Verify reference texture files exist at specified paths to prevent missing texture errors during rendering. Update paths or relocate textures as needed when migrating libraries between systems with different directory structures. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.